Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best iCaption script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay? And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. So please subscribe my channel, okay? So let's start trading with this indicator, okay. Here is a uh, okay, okay, okay. Here is a down trade. I have placed down trade because this is a resistance level, okay. As you can see, I have draw my area, okay. As you can see, this is a zone and this is a breakout and retest and market going down, okay. Let's see the result, okay. As you can see, market retest this area, but I have very late entry. If I place this here, place trade is here, I have 100% win, okay. Okay, let's see. If I lose this trade, I have recovered this loss, okay. No problem, no problem, okay. I have market break this area, okay. Okay, here is a sorry, and here is a update, okay. I have placed $12,000, okay. Sorry, okay. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, market boom this area, okay. No problem. I can see market going up, use up, but okay, let's see. That is all. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Yes, I have profit $600, okay. No problem. Here is a support resistance. This script is automated support and resistance level and automated signal, very good signal, okay. No problem. Here is a I have placed down trade for $400, okay. Let's see the results. Today I place huge trade amount, okay. No problem. I have already profit $400, $500. Let's see the result. Okay guys, yeah.